We are quite aware that people are going to need childcare, and we are quite aware that our frontline workers have to be a priority.
Tonight, the province pulls the plug on daycare centers as of the end of the day Friday.
Nobody's living in a bubble. Nobody's unaware of the situation.
Restaurants start to close, putting staff out of work. And
so this is going to hurt us in a significant way, but we're not in a position where suddenly we're going to have to shutter the doors and close down as a company.
And the curtain closes temporarily on Winnipeg's theatre community.
As expected today, this cloud has moved on in. It's all over the Red River Valley. We're even seeing a few flurries up around the Inner Lake and in the Dauphin region. That's nothing compared to the snow we'll see tomorrow and the wind that follows that. I'll explain. CBC Winnipeg News starts right now.
This is CBC Winnipeg News.
Good evening. Thank you for joining us. The province has just released the latest information on COVID-19 cases in Manitoba, and as expected, we are starting to see larger daily increases. There are 7 new presumptive cases of COVID-19, nearly doubling Manitoba's cases to 15. The new cases include people in a range of age from 30s into their 60s. 2 of the new cases are from communities in the Southern Health Region. The rest are in Winnipeg. Officials say they're still investigating whether or not these are travel-related cases. As of yesterday, more than 2,200 tests had been completed in our province. The province also announced new measures today to combat the spread of COVID-19. We know schools will close Monday. Now the province is also closing daycare centers as of the end of Friday. All 6 provincial casinos will be closing as of midnight tonight. Officials have recommended the immediate suspension of visits to long-term care facilities and nursing homes, except for compassionate or end-of-life cases. For more on today's events and developments, the CBC's Bartley Kivas joins us live, standing by outside McPhillip Street Station Casino. Bartley?
Janet, all 6 Manitoba casinos are closing tonight, and we've seen people walking into these very large public spaces right now. But of course, that's not the big news today, a day when the number of COVID-19 cases is nearly doubled. As well, the province has said that licensed daycare centers are closing down at the end of the week. Some will remain open to serve children of essential workers like doctors and nurses. Home-based daycare serving no more than 8 kids will be allowed to remain open. Otherwise, parents are being told to make other arrangements. Workers at daycares, some of whom have elderly parents, say they are pleased.
I think it's too bad that this didn't happen earlier, because I think for the staff it would have relieved a lot of the stress that they've been under this last little while.
The province is also recommending no more visits to personal care homes and nursing homes. Exceptions will be made for compassionate reasons, such as an end-of-life situation. And while the province is still trying to ramp up the capacity of the healthcare system, it has another medical problem. Too few